Are you a first-time home buyer, maybe an investor, or looking for a second home? Well, this home should be on your list. It is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single story in Henderson. Like, could you ask for more? Probably not. And you are going to love the price and what they did to the inside. So come on, let's go take a look. And isn't this kitchen super cute? I love this home and I love this neighborhood. I actually used to live in this neighborhood, and my favorite thing was the location. We are literally steps away from Boyd Stadium, minutes from Cowabunga Bay Water Park, and close to schools, shopping, freeways, you name it, it's right around the corner. So if you would like a personal tour of this amazing home, all my contact is in the description below. Contact me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. I'm Wendy Goss, and I would love to be your real estate boss.